Sorry about that, everyone. Yeah, is the sound good right now? And yeah, before we start, quick disclaimer: nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in the real time. Also, make sure to like the live stream, subscribe, and join my Telegram channel, where you will be receiving something like this that you can do it automatically on your account. So good morning, everyone. We have Yadav, also Sonia. Good morning, guys. Where are you guys watching from? From which country? We have some new members here. Welcome. And yeah, I'm looking into a close entry right now in gold. I'm waiting for gold to down to this level right here, so we can have a confirmation, then do something like this on gold. So my entry will be something like this. But yeah, if you know trading, we need to wait for this opportunity to come. This is my plan now for gold. And yeah, let's do a quick recap on all the trades that we have open. So for the new people, the trade in here on the table, the trades labeled in green are the trade that we are in a buy position on them. The trades labeled in yellow means I'm looking into an entry soon, and the trades in red means that we are in a sell position. Hi Magdalena, good morning Ada from Australia, and Sonia from the Netherlands. Yeah, only the good countries we have here. In fact, we have so many members in premium from Netherlands, and from Australia too, from Poland, UAE, from all over the world. So let's check our trades. Let me quickly check. And yeah, of course, like always, if you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. So I started also live streaming on shorts, and I want to make sure that at least people can see a part of the screen. Then if they decide, they can join the big stream on the YouTube channel. So we are still in drawdown for EURUSD. Nothing to do about it. We will wait and hope that the price will continue going up, because we entered based on an uptrend. And yeah, for the AUD NZD, we entered this trade this morning, before going live. And yeah, for everyone watching, we take almost all the trades privately. That means I don't trade all my trades on the live stream. I share them in my premium Telegram. So, and for AUD/USD, we are still in drawdown for this one. And hey Shane, how are you, brother? So like always, I think I'm late today. For the CAD/JPY, we are in small profits. For the CAD/CHF, we are still in drawdown from last week. For the EUROCAD, we are in profits. For the EURUSD, we are still in profits too. For the GBPCAD, I entered this trade also before going live. We are in profits. For the people who were in my live stream last week, I kept telling you that I will be targeting this level here. When I saw a rejection here at this level, plus a confirmation, I entered this trade also on the GBPJPY, and share it also in the free Telegram channel first link in the description. We are looking good for the GBPJPY. And yeah, for the NZD CAD, yeah, like I told you last week, this trade will take a lot of time because NZD CAD usually doesn't move that much, but we are profitable. For the USD CAD, yeah, we are profitable again. And for the USDJPY, I shared this trade also yesterday on the free Telegram. Yeah, we touched TP1, we moved the stop loss to the entry, and now we are looking good. Let me check the questions. So there is a question from Sonia asking, what do you think? I enter a position on gold at 4318 and target 4350. 4318. I think there is still not and the stop loss, what will be your stop loss? Because if you enter right here, it's a good trade to be honest, but the stop loss will be like this under this low. So the stop loss one will be 140 pips. You will be entering here and targeting for 350. Looks good to be honest. You are targeting, I think, these highs. So it's looking good. To be honest, the risk reward is good. For 3080408. Yeah, the stop loss is above these lows here, so I suggest doing the stop loss under these lows. So it will be 135 or 150 or 140. And yeah, for example, if you can see here, we have this level right here, and yeah, I think the price will slow down when arriving at this area right here. But yeah, it's overall a good trade. But for my plan, I will be waiting for gold to get down to this level right here. Let me show you. I will wait for gold to get down here, then buy it and target these highs here. This is my plan. So, and another message from Yadav. I entered the trade for the GBPJPY today when we received the signal. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. So for gold, it's ranging, to be honest. Yeah, no big movements here. So my plan is to buy gold at this area here in purple. And yeah, I like these kind of questions. Please, keep them coming. So, and for this month so far, let me check. We are up 70,000. That's great. We had a stop loss today on the GBPJPY because we entered a trade yesterday. We had the TP1 for the USDJPY. I know it looks weird right here. I forgot to enter the take profit, the first take profit. That's why I close it manually, so it's a little bit above 30 pips. And yeah, we had also a stop loss yesterday on gold, but overall we are in big profits, to be honest. So, and for everyone watching, please make sure to like the live stream. That will help a lot. I'm trying to grow on YouTube, to be live streaming every day, and yeah, for you guys, to answer your questions, to explain my thought process and everything. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So for the AUDJPY, I think we are late for an entry right now, because we are already in CADJPY and GBPJPY. But for USDJPY, yeah, we already touched the TP1 and the stop loss is already at break even. For USD, nothing I can do right here. We need to wait. Yeah. Trades usually, yeah, take a bit of time. And for the CAD/CHF, the same thing here. Yeah, I entered based on my analysis of the price rejecting this level right here, then continuing going up. But yeah, we will see what will happen in the CAD/CHF. So we will of course not win every trade, but for example, if you see last week we ended up making 1000, I think 500 pips or something like that. And yeah, this is unheard of, especially showing you everything live and showing you every single position we entered, every single trade, every single signal that was shared in the premium channel and everything. Yeah, yes, Yadav, I trade live every day, but only for 1 hour. So just to answer you guys questions, yeah, to enter some gold trades here and there when there is an opportunity, but most of the trades, I can't stream all my trades because it will be a 12-hour or 10-hour live stream. That's why, yeah, I'm always doing alerts on key level that I want. Then when the price reaches these key levels, I get alerts on my phone. Then if I see a confirmation on the chart, usually using a candle pattern, I enter the trade. So the GBPJPY is looking good. And yeah, we are heading to TP1, and I think most of the trades are in profits. This one in profits, this one too, this one too, this one too, this one also, I think, yeah, this one too. I'm interested in GBPUSD. I took a look in the morning, I will check it now. So this one too, we have this one also in profits, this one in drawdown, this one in drawdown, this one in small profits, and this one in drawdown. So overall, yeah, everything looks good. And yeah, sometimes you have most of the trades in drawdowns, sometimes you have all the trade in profits. Yeah, we trade probabilities, not certainties, because there is not such thing in trading called certainties. So for gold, I can see it's now pushing up. I think, yeah, it will be a bad entry right here because, yeah, it would not be profitable. I believe it can be profitable, but this is not an entry that I will take. And if you know, I always said you guys that the most important thing in trading is discipline. And this is not my entry, even though price can continue going up, but I would rather wait for my entry than have losing trade. Because even if we enter here, and this is not my entry, this is not my strategy, even if we enter here, we win, I will count that as a loss on my end for myself, because I didn't respect my strategy, I didn't respect my entry criteria. So even a good trade is a loss if you are not following your strategy. Good morning, Guri, how are you? Yeah, we have people from all over the world, from Canada, from Australia. Yeah, Guri in Canada has, says good morning. People in Australia says they have midnight, they are preparing to sleep. So it's good, it's good. Yeah, that's why I'm always trying to find the perfect time to stream. For Sonia, yeah, my strategy, for gold is to trade key levels based on these EMAs that you see here. These ones. These are fixed EMAs, and yeah, you can check the past live streams when I go yeah, deeply into them. And yeah, I simply trade with the trend. I wait for a confirmation on a key level, then execute my trade. And yeah, if if you go back to the past live streams, I explain my strategy deep, because yeah, I cannot answer this question on every live stream, because it will be boring for people who are always here. But yeah, overall my strategy is, if you can see here, I trade with the trend. I use these EMAs like dynamic support and resistance, and these EMAs are extremely accurate, if you can see here, because these are not the normal EMAs. For to be honest, these are fixed EMAs. And yeah, this pink one is for the daily one, the purple is 4 hours, yeah, and everything. So if you can see here how the price is respecting the daily EMAs, and if you can see here the price is respecting the 4-hour EMAs. So these EMAs can give us a lot of entries. Yeah, this is the 1 hour. You see how the price is respecting these EMAs. So I'm not always executing a trade after we touch an EMA, but this EMAs helps a lot, and I entered a lot of trades based on them, and also based on the key levels that we have in chart. I hope that explained a little bit the strategy. But if you want, yeah, the settings of these, how to get these and everything, just go back, I believe, to the yesterday's stream, or the day before, I explained everything. So gold is continuing going up. So we were talking at 43.18, and now, yeah, and I already explained to you why I will not enter, because this also, even if I make money, it will be a loss for me, because I didn't respect yeah, my strategy. And yeah, please keep the questions coming, and let me know if you guys are enjoying this live streams also, and should I keep doing them. So let me check. Yeah, and I'm thinking, but I will create a new Instagram account that I will share with you guys in the Telegram channel. I will be doing a lot of cuts from these live streams, and also would be sharing more value there, especially the top mistakes that people are making in trading and everything. So yeah, I will share this new Instagram and TikTok. Also, I will share both links with you guys in the free Telegram, so make sure to join. It's the first link in the description. Yeah, you're welcome, Yadav. Do you have any more questions or any charts? Let's check BTC. So, yes, still not doing anything, to be honest. Do you mean we reach 43.40 today, or now, or tomorrow? 40-day 40. Previous day high is this one. No. The previous day high is 43.35, because let me quickly yeah, show you. These lines yeah, are the difference between, this is today, this is yesterday, this is the day before, and yesterday high was 43.35 and not 43.40. So for forex pairs, I usually enter at 1 hour or 30 minutes, and for gold I enter based on the 5 minutes almost all the time, because I already know the trend and where the trend is going. Let me quickly, yeah, decrease the opacity of this day breaks to keep the chart clean. So for gold, I already know the direction. I already know, yeah, the overall direction. That's why I take a look for 5 seconds on, yeah, like this on the 1 hour. Then I execute either on the 5 minutes or the 1 minute. So for now, based on my strategy, there is no entry on gold. And yeah, even no trade is a win when you respect the strategy. Yeah, I forgot about GU. Thank you, Shane, for for reminding me. For GU, I was planning to go long, to be honest. Let me check. Yeah, this will be tomorrow. This yeah, GPB intrade decision, and also all the inflation yeah, KPIs and everything. So for the GBPUSD, when I saw it in the morning, I was thinking about going long. And if you know my strategy, I'm always trading with the trend. So this is a non-negotiable. The trend is your friend. So we started to form an uptrend like here. So this is the low, this is the higher low, this is another higher low, and yeah, this is another higher low, and this is, I think it's a good entry, and it's yeah, touched the daily EMA that you can see here in pink. So why not enter this live and show you guys how. Yeah, and also we have big fat red candle that was yeah, because today's news at 8 p.m. 8 a.m. my time, and yeah, we rejected the daily EMA. We continued doing this. We had, yeah, here, if you can see me zoom, we have a bearish candle, then directly bullish engulfing candle. So this is the perfect entry. Let me check just where the stop loss will be and where the take profit will be, and we can decide if we will execute this trade or not. Yeah, this looks clean, this looks good, and I will also tell you, yeah, for the new people that, yeah, let me quickly enter that, and I will share it also in my premium group. And thank you, Shane, for reminding me. I totally forgot about it. And if you know, I'm live streaming now since 10 days, I believe, or yeah, or something like that. And I still find it hard to live stream, speak with you guys, and trade also. But I hope you, yeah, you like this live streams. So yeah, I entered, my entry was at 33.46, and after I send it in the group, I will explain to you how we take profits and everything for everyone new here. $32.76. Okay, it was sent in the group. And for disclaimer, please everyone, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I am just sharing how I trade the markets. So this is my entry. Yeah, price started to move. So let me get these lines. We are in a buy position. The TP1 will be 30 pips away, so 46.76. This is the TP1. It means when the price reaches the TP1, we will move the stop loss to entry. And like you know, I always open 3 positions per trade. And yeah, if you can see here, the GBPJPY stop loss, always opening 3 position, 1 for the TP1, 1 for the TP2, and the third for the TP3. And when TP1 is hit, we move the stop loss of the other remaining 2 position to the entry. So 46, 34, 46, and 35, 46 for the TP3. This is TP3. I think the trade looks good. So yeah, and I hope all TP hits like always. Let me quickly enter the stop loss levels in MT4. 32.76. And yeah, keep the questions coming. I will answer them all. Just give me a second. 46, 34, 46. And TP3 will be 35.46. So thank you, Shane, for reminding me about this trade in the chat. And also, yeah, so you've seen that we entered this trade live, and we'll update you everyone in the free group. So I already explain why I entered this trade, because we are in an uptrend. We have a higher highs here and higher lows. We touched the most important EMA that we have. This is the pink one. This is the daily EMA, the strongest one. And yeah, we entered a buy position in 33.46. The stop loss is at 76 and the take profit is at 46, and I take the profits in the middle of the road. So, and yeah, this is not a financial advice. And this is for entertainment purposes only, if you know what I mean. So let me get back to your questions, and let me take a quick look into gold. So now we are in an uptrend, yeah, in gold. This looks good. We missed the entry on this level. The next step is we have this level right here and this level, yeah. Let me get it down a bit like this. So, and gold broke this level right here. So my next plan is to wait for a retest of this level here to have a clear entry, and we will ride with gold to the upside. This is my next this is my next plan. I added alert on this level here, and let's hope gold will give us another entry. So let me quickly check the chat. So thought NGU just had nice 1 hour engulfing, now appears to be resisting. Looks good to me. Yeah, you gave the perfect analysis, Shane. Hello everyone. Hello CK. How are you, brother? How is Germany this morning? So if the price on gold touch around 43.11, you will enter. Let me check. No, we already way past this levels. We broke this level right here, this small one with this big candle, and yeah, my entry will be somewhere right here when after, of course, candle confirmation. Hello Rudy from Lebanon. Yeah, I'm started to remember every single one of you guys. How is Lebanon this morning? And yeah, and let's do a quick recap. So we have an alert on gold. I believe it will go back and touch this alert that we have here. So let's take a look on the other trades that we have. This one is still dead, still not moving this chart. UD, NZD, still nothing. For USD, we are still in drawdown, yeah, approaching the TP1, or yeah, not quite yet, but we are in the middle of the way. So for the EURUCAD, we are looking good. For the EURUSD, we are looking good. I was also thinking this morning about entering EURUSD right here, because like I explained to you guys in the GBPUSD, we have an uptrend, the retest. So this is an uptrend. These are higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. So we just broke this higher low right here, but no problem, because price, it doesn't move exactly like this. Yeah, so a good entry is also, yeah, looking good on the EURUSD after the first rejection of this EMA right here, the first and the second rejection. So we moved down a bit and price instantly rejected this level. So a good entry looks good right here on the EURUSD. But yeah, we are already in the GBPUSD, and yeah, I will be not entering the trade here. Let me check if we have, tomorrow is full of news. We have USD news tomorrow, we have GBP news, and we have the Euro news. So yeah, Magdalena, I believe that also started live streaming also on the shorts on YouTube. I think it's the reason why, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. That's everything. I hope everyone like the stream and take some kind of value from it. So, and like I said, there an entry on EURUSD actually looks good. The stop loss will be here. Let me see if we can get yeah, we can get the let me quickly remove these levels because we already touched all these levels. We have only TP3 left for the Euro USD. So if we can minimum go to this high right here, it will look great. So if let me quickly think. Yeah, this looks good, to be honest. We are in an uptrend. I am doing a position like this because if you know my strategy, I'm always targeting 3 take profits levels. And yeah, if we can minimum touch the TP1 and move the stop loss to the entry before tomorrow's news, we will be doing great. This is what I'm thinking about. And we have also the GBPUSD, but here we are safer because we have the stop loss under the daily EMA. But for my strategy, this looks great. I'm just trying to calculate the risk because these two pairs are moving almost the same. We have the news. Yeah, we have news tomorrow for the GBP, for the USD, and for the Euro. But the entry is perfect here. Yeah, we will go in, I believe. Yeah, I will go in. Please do not copy trade me. This is for entertainment purposes only, if you know. So yeah, this looks great, to be honest. And we already have another winning position of the Euro USD from last week. So the entry is at 25.1725. This will be the TP, this will be the SL, and I will also share it in my premium group. The entry was set at 25. Yeah, 1725. 1755. One 1825 and 11925, 11655. This looks great. Let me quickly add the stop loss in MT4. 11655, 11755. And yeah, please everyone, keep the questions coming. $117.25, $118.25. And 125. This will be like this. Let's hope we do a full TP hit. Let me add the TP levels. This one 55. So at least if we can go back to this high right here after TP1 hit, we will move the stop loss and we will be safe for tomorrow's news. 18. And 1925. So this is how the trade is looking. Please let me know, what do you guys think? And we are in a buy position for gold, for the Euro USD. Let's go back to gold because I really want to get some entry on gold. We are now at this key level. Price is slowing down. My alert here is at 43.25 24, waiting for a retest of this key level where I have my entry, then a confirmation, of course, then I enter. So, and let's check. I think we are approaching TP1 on the GBPJPY. Everything looks good. We are in, yeah, this is my fault, to be honest, because we had, let me explain. For the NZD CAD, we already, if you can see here, let me quickly explain to you. So this is NZD CAD. We entered last week. TP1 and TP2 already hit. We have TP3 left. Yeah. So for the EURUCAD, same thing. TP1 and TP2 hit. We have TP3 left. So if you can see the EURUCAD, we are in a buy position in good profits, and for the NZD CAD, we are in a sell position in good profits. So it doesn't mean that these pairs are moving together in the same way. So, and this one, the CED/CHF, we are in drawdown, this one. So I will go on every trade and show you what's going on. So this is the CED/CHF for the Euro USD. This one we have the TP3, still didn't touch on this trade right here. We just entered this one. So this is the TP3. We have still open. We are 2,300 in profits. For the AUD CAD, we are in drawdown, if you can see here. For the GBPUSD, this is where I messed up, and I left this position open, because for the GBPUSD, this was a trade from, let's see, from the 12th. Yeah, we entered here on the GBPUSD, we touched the TP1, and yeah, we are now, yeah, I didn't move the stop loss of the TP2 and TP3 here. That's why I forgot about it and left these two positions open. But I still believe that the GBPUSD will go up. That's why I left them open. And yeah, for the USD, we are in a small drawdown. For the USD CAD, we are in small profits, if you can see here. And for the CFDJPY, we are in profits right here. And for the USDJPY also, we are in profits. I already shared this trade yesterday on the free Telegram channel in the first link in the description. This is USDJPY. USD/NZD, we entered this morning. We are still at entry, if you can see right here. And for the GBP CAD, I entered this morning also, if you can see here. Yeah, we are in profits. And for the GBPJPY, I already shared that this signal also on the free Telegram. We are approaching the TP1, and for the GBPUSD, the position that we just entered, this one, we are still in entry, and the last one is the EURUSD, this one we just entered right now. So you can see here we are in very small drawdown in compared to my account, because if you can see here we are up 70,000, and yeah, someone seeing minus 2,600 would be freaking out if it was a small account, but I don't have any problems with that. So I see that the chat is quiet. Please, yeah, please make sure to ask questions. Gold is still going up and not even slowing down, but my entry remain my entry. Like I explained to you, the entry will be here. Just need to wait for the price to goes back to this entry, to this level, and have some kind of confirmation, then we'll execute like always. Let me check Nasdaq also. In Nasdaq, we are in uptrend since yesterday. I believe, yeah, I believe a sell will be great in Nasdaq, but to be honest, I don't share indices with my group. I trade them privately. So if you can see here, this is not the confirmation or telling you that I'm entering Nasdaq, just explaining. Let me quickly remove this, everything here. So overall on Nasdaq, we are in an uptrend, of course, but yeah, we had a very ugly uptrend for the last for the last 2 weeks. So, and now we are in a downtrend. So this is a double top, this is a high, this is a lower high, a lower low, then a lower high, then if we count this as lower low, and I believe we are in a lower high right here. Even though I don't like the price rejecting this EMA, but the yellow one is the 30 minutes, and yeah, it's not that strong. That's why let me see. Yeah, it rejected the 38% of the Fibonacci, and yeah, I think if I will go to the Nasdaq, I will sell. We have some time before the market opening, and yeah, but since most of the people here on the chat on my Telegram don't like to trade indices, we will concentrate on Forex and gold for the live streams. Yes, Yadav, they can be copied automatically using the software that we have. Let me quickly grab the Telegram channel. Sorry. And yeah, I don't want to show any personal data or something. This is premium. Yeah, you can. Yeah, we have this this software right here that you can use it to automate the trades, and the software is amazing. The entry takes less than 70 millisecond. Yeah, you can use it for prop firms and everything, and you can automate everything with it. So these are the two trades that we entered, and yeah. And yeah, if you can see here, so that the most of the, yeah, we have 600 subscribers, but the most of them are using the Telegram copier, because yeah, we have too little views on the, yeah, on the signal, because they are using the automatic copier. So we are right here at this key level, and let's check if gold will break it. Then we will also be looking for breakout and retest and continue. For now, my plan is this. Let me quickly remove some spam in the, yeah. Do you guys have any questions? And let's go to our trades and see what's going on. Also, always forget the brush. Okay, Magdalena, drive safe. And yeah, I think I will sign off in, think 10 minutes or 20 minutes, but let's hope gold will give us an entry so we can do it on the live stream. We check EURUSD, still in entry. So let me remove this alert right here, and let's see. Let's concentrate now on gold, because I can't see any other entry or any other pairs. You see how the price is now rejecting this key level that I draw. I think, in my opinion, futures are similar to Forex, but the prop firm on futures are better than the prop firm on the CFDs that we do here. They are way reputable, but everything is the same. Futures or CFD, on futures, you don't use the lot size, you use contracts, micro contracts, but everything is the same. The name is for a gold is GC, for Nasdaq is, I think, in G or something like that, but it's similar, the same charts. The mechanics are not the same, but it's the same charts and everything. But the prop firms are way reputable, way trustworthy with futures, to be honest. But yeah, this is a very good question, and you can do the research and then decide which route you choose. Because for me, I can start, yeah, I can start tomorrow trading futures, no problem. You just need to do the lots, yeah, the contracts calculations, and yeah. So you can see how gold is rejecting this level right here. I hope we get back to 43.25 to have an entry, to be honest, because in the middle we have until this level to enter. So do you guys have any other questions, or just chatting to not be bored by this gold chart? Even if we say we see a rejection of this 1 minute EMA, this blue white one, I will consider, not enter, I will just consider, because yeah, I can see a good momentum on gold, but the perfect entry, to be honest, will be either here or down below here, or if we broke this highs. So, and for the floating PNL, we have -$4. Yeah, let me check. I think we are moving with the other trades. So, yeah, GBPUSD looks great. GBPJPY looks great. GBPCAD looks great. EURUSD looks great. This one not so much. This one also not so much, and this one also. This one, yeah, still at entry. This one looks not that great. So let's get back to gold and see, because sometimes the price don't do a big retest. It simply can do a red candle like this and continue going up, but the trick is to wait, to have your entry, your strategy, to not mess the things up and ending up over trading, revenge trading, and everything. But yeah, I will tomorrow I will make sure to give you, I noted that in a piece of paper, the top mistakes that people do to stay unprofitable in trading. I will give it to you today. Or I can create a PDF and give it to you for free, of course. And for everyone, of course, not just the premium members. This looks like a great retest, to be honest, on exactly this level, if you can see. But you guys don't want to trade indices, and that's not a problem. So let me check. You're welcome, Yadav, and yeah, you're welcome to watch my live streams every day. Just make sure to subscribe, and yeah, join the Telegram channel. It's the first link in the description. Because to be honest, I know that there is no so much people trading live, especially on Telegram. They don't show you that they know how to trade. They don't show you this kind of stuff. They don't show you their account, their history, everything. Yeah, I think it will be valuable for you, I believe, and I hope so. But for now, I think I will sign off because, yeah, I have a lunch meeting soon and I need to prepare. I need to, yeah, to dress up and everything, and we'll continue trading on the afternoon, of course. We'll be sharing my trade also in premium. So thank you everyone for, yeah, for tuning in. Make sure to like the live stream. Make sure to subscribe, and let's meet tomorrow. And